Yet another weekend in my life, and at this one, we'll celebrate my mother's birthday, and I'll take you around to some of my favorite places in Delhi. We were not doing anything grand for her birthday because हमें Delhi जाना था अगले दिन, so we just got some flowers, cut a very small, cute little vanilla cake, and once we all had a bite of it, we realized we loved it a lot, and we should have probably ordered a bigger one. But anyway, after that, all of us retreated to our rooms and started packing for the next day. We reached Delhi quite late in the afternoon and everybody was very tired from the trip. So my parents and my brother decided to take a nap and have some lunch while I headed to Janpat because मुझे मम्मा के लिए एक और गिफ्ट लेना था. I already got her something from Cotton's Jaipur, but I wanted like a cute little accessory to go with it. I'll show you later what was it that I got. But then मैंने जनपद आ ही गया तो I thought that I should buy something for myself too. But this time I have to be honest, the trip to Janpat on this particular day was very disappointing. I did not like anything, just one earring जो भी मैं बहुत टाइम से ढूंढ रही थी तो मैंने ले लिए. And the bhaiya on this shop was also very rude, so I was a little sad. But anyway, these were the earrings that I bought और अब तक आपने देख लिया होगा that I've already styled them in 2 of my Instagram videos. And they were a steal, I have to be honest, and ये तो मुझे देखते ही पसंद आ गए थे. After shopping, we decided to head to United Coffee House for a lunch, and जब हम वहाँ पहुँचे, we got to know that they have their happy hours going on, and those are indeed the happiest hours of the day. So we ordered a few drinks, had a pepperoni pizza, and decided to head back home. But जाते वक्त रास्ते में के बिरला लेन पे we spotted beautiful bougainvilleas. It rained for like a hot minute or two and there were so many beautiful parrots, menas and koels. So we just decided to take a little pause moment and just see the beauty around us, clicked a few pictures, and then we went back to our place. We got ready and then had her birthday dinner. I did not get a chance to record any of that, but it went really well and she really liked her gift. Now this is the next day. My brother and I, we woke up really late and we missed the complimentary breakfast. So we were browsing through our options for in-room dining and we did not really like anything and most of the things were unavailable. So we decided to head to their all-day diner, the Habitat Hub, on the lower level. My mother also joined us later and then my father did too. We had a wholesome and a hearty breakfast but did not fool ourselves to the brim because we had a long day to look forward to. After the breakfast, we decided to ditch the cab and instead took a metro to Janpat because it was just one station away and it made me feel so nostalgic about the time that I spent in Delhi, especially alone as a college student, and how commuting to Janpat in a metro was something that I used to do daily. And a long walk to the final exit gate. It's a very long walk. Everybody who's been to Janpat knows that. And on most days, people dread it. I do too. But this one was very beautiful. And then I straight up headed to this Kolhapuri shop because I lost my Kolhapuris in the transit. So I had to compensate by buying 2 more. And this is the outfit I was wearing. It was a perfect choice for the day, so breezy and comfy. Of course, no trip of Janpat is complete without Deepal's coffees and their chicken momos. After that, we shopped for some silver jewelry at this Chandi silver jewelry store. This is where I got my mother her additional birthday present from. She loved it so much that she was like कि मुझे वहाँ पे वापस लेकर चलो. And I'll show you in a separate video everything that I shopped from Delhi this time. We were waiting for a cab but it was taking too long, so we decided to go to the bangle market nearby. I do have a lot of glass bangles and nothing really caught my attention this time because मेरा हो गया है saturation. I think I have every glass bangle now. But my mother and I still managed to get a few stacks, which again, as I mentioned, एक separate video में आएगा like a full-blown Delhi shopping haul. These were the new Kolhapuris that I bought. I decided they look better than the silver ones that I was previously wearing, so I changed. And yeah, we went back to our place. Now this is the dinner time, and after taking a little nap and fooling around in the the property a little bit, we decided to head to their restaurant, which is called the Med. We had a few drinks and we waited for our pasta and Parmesan roasted chicken. was really good. Their drinks menu was really nice. We quickly came back to our room and I wanted to do my skincare because usually when I'm traveling, I do not take that good care of my skin. I do not hydrate a lot. But this time I've been taking really good care, and especially Delhi mein it's very important. So I was very happy that I was able to manage and मैं अपना ध्यान रख पा रही थी. It's now 3 a.m. or something and I'm not able to sleep. So this is when I head out and chat. So it's currently 4 a.m. and I wasn't able to sleep. I don't know how good the audio will be, but I'm just out here roaming. And I almost forgot how beautiful Delhi feels even at this hour of the day. And it's just so fun. Now this was our last or second last day in Delhi. I do not remember it very correctly. But before we left, I wanted my mother to go to Nalli and CP because I knew she would like it. We shopped for lots of suits and saris, and this is the one that I bought for myself. The good news is that मैंने ये already stitch होने दे दिया. I'm getting a very nice kurta and pant set made out of this. So stay tuned to follow my Instagram to see what I get made out of this one. Of course, once we were done shopping, we headed to Nevedyam, that's just in the same lane as Nalli. I had my favorite Mysore masala dosa, and they also give you this complimentary namkeen chaat, which I was not aware of that they do that, but I was so happy. It was really tasty, and I think I had this more than the water. So yeah, this was pretty much it. We did do a lot of things that I wasn't able to record because I was just very unsure what should make it to YouTube and what should not, because I'm very conscious about certain things. But I guess with time we'll learn.